Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Search Console for sitelink and rich result checks. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Search Console website. Log in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, you will see an option to add a property. Click on the Add Property button. Enter your website URL in the provided field. Choose between the domain or URL prefix property type. If you select domain, ensure you enter the complete domain name, including the protocol. For URL prefix, enter the specific URL you want to monitor. Click Continue after entering your website details. Now, you need to verify ownership of your website. The recommended verification method is to use the HTML file upload. Download the HTML verification file provided by Google. Upload this file to the root directory of your website. Once the file is uploaded, return to Google Search Console. Click on the Verify button to confirm ownership. If your verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Next, navigate to the Performance section in the sidebar. This section gives you insights into how your site is performing in search results. To check for site links, scroll to the Site Links section under the Search Appearance settings. Here, you can see which site links are already associated with your site. To ensure you qualify for rich results, navigate to the Rich Results section. Review which types of rich results are applicable for your content. Make sure your pages comply with Google's structured data guidelines. Implement structured data markup on your site as required. After implementing the markup, return to Google Search Console. Submit your URL for indexation to inform Google of your updates. Click on the URL inspection tool in the sidebar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.